Hi, in this short video I'm going to showcase the robotic arm I made for my robotics module. The robot can be controlled by sending commands over a USB interface. You can send the desired X, Y and Z coordinates and the robot head will move to that location. The inputs must be given in centimeters. Further, the desired angles for each joint can also be sent. A denotes the base joint, B is for the second joint and C is for the third one, which is the small blue servo in the middle. Additionally, a set sequence can also be programmed and called by the S notation followed by the sequence number. In this case, the robot is looping through sequence 1. These sequences can be used to carry out automated tasks such as relocating objects or to move a tool attachment to a given position. Hope that you have liked this project, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact me or my supervisor. Thank you for watching.